What I like about guiding, we are sisters. Wherever we go, no matter the color, no matter the religion, when we come together, we are sisters.
So bringing them on the trip is just to give them an experience that they otherwise wouldn't have, to make them grow into themselves. And I think Tanzania is a great place because it's somewhere that's a little bit different. It's not really somewhere that they'd go on holiday, and we're seeing things that even if you came here on holiday, you wouldn't see or experience. Who knew our guides can mix cement and lay bricks? Like, the construction I'm so impressed with, but even just a lot of them just standing in front of a room and talking. On day one, they were like right up against the wall, not wanting to get involved. And even now, just this is our 4th day here, and they're smashing it. And they're so much more confident.
It's more than just a holiday, there's actually something beneficial for me to do.
I'm really enjoying it. I think we've got a really nice group, everyone gets along really well, and we're all kind of teaching each other different stuff.
You get to know them on a more personal level than on other guiding experiences. Like, it can take years to build up the kind of relationships that we have now. And just the vibe of living here, it's definitely a community, and you feel that with everyone you meet.
We have learned a lot from them, Galgat from UK, and also they have learned a lot from us here in Arusha.
It's such a nice opportunity for us to come and meet people who are doing the same thing. We're all working on the same challenge to try and make the world a better place.
I just think that's a great inspiration to young girls as well, who are either scared to go away, because in all honesty it is terrifying to come away to places like this, but once you do it, it is so amazing and rewarding.
It's like a one-in-the-lifetime opportunity, and it's so much better than I could have ever expected. I want to come back already, and I've not even left.
We've got other groups going out, and we've been like talking to other leaders who've gone to other places and done it all themselves and had to arrange everything. And we're like, oh, well, we just booked the flights, and then they gave us a timetable and they bring us to all the places and they book all our meals, and it is so, we've had such a varied experience, but it's been really stress-free from that side for us, which has made a massive difference. I don't think we could have done any of this without doing it through Project Abroad.